Hey there, I'd like to share my review on this super cute box. So not only does it come really well on the inside, it comes with a super cute card with a dried flower on top. You get this really great hot cold little thermos, and it does have the slider lid on top. It did have a nice seal on it, so easy to clean and easy to use, and I feel like my coffee would do awesome in that. And then you get a cute candle, you get a bath bomb, so you'll get that fizzy effect in the bathtub. In this one, you've got the super cute soap, and it did have a good aroma, so if you're looking for, something very feminine smelling. And then we also have bath salts, so again, I left the seal on them just to kind of protect the aroma. But super cute design. This would just be a great birthday box or just because box. And then here's the candle, and I did go ahead and peel off the plastic wrap just so you could kind of see what the candle itself looks like. And they did a great job packaging this as well. So just think of that nice, relaxing evening in the tub with the candle and the bath soaks and the bath fizzy bomb with a nice cold cup of something, and then the cue card.